Hi, it's Yapi. Today we're making glazed garlic powder teriyaki chicken with chicken breast. It's healthier than the chicken thigh, but still rich, garlicky, and totally addictive. Let's get started.
Here's what you need. Let's coat the chicken breast in a crosshatch pattern. You can cut diagonally or straight, whichever you like. Just make plenty of cuts, deep enough but not all the way through. Keep each square under 1 inch so the chicken cooks faster and the sauce will cling beautifully. Making these cuts is actually pretty fun and satisfying. The cuts let the teriyaki sauce get inside, helping the chicken cook faster and stay tender and juicy. Season both sides of the chicken with salt and pepper to add flavor. Lightly coat the chicken all over with flour. Dust flour into the cuts for extra crispiness. Coating helps create a slightly crispy surface when seared, which clings to the teriyaki sauce for extra texture and flavor. Heat oil in a pan, place the chicken square side down, and cook on low to medium heat. While the chicken is cooking, let's quickly mix up the teriyaki sauce. Add the soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar in a small bowl. 2 tablespoons each, except sugar. I always keep my recipes simple enough to remember, but still tasty enough to impress. Okay, back to the chicken. Once one side looks nice and golden, let's flip it over. Cook the other side for a few minutes until it's almost cooked through. When it's almost cooked through, give the sauce a quick stir, since sugar tends to settle at the bottom. Then pour the teriyaki sauce in. Or you can add the sugar at this point instead of mixing it in earlier. Spoon it over the chicken a few times so it cooks through quicker and soaks up all the flavor. Once the chicken is fully cooked, add the butter on top and let it melt into the sauce, coating the chicken evenly. It melts in and it gives the sauce the glossy shine and extra umami. Chicken breast can be lean, so this makes it rich and delicious. And if you love garlic, feel free to sprinkle on some garlic powder or add minced or grated garlic earlier when you pour in the sauce. You can cook the sauce a little longer if you want it thicker, but today I didn't have much time, so I stopped here. Later in the video I have a clip showing the sauce cooked a bit more for thicker finish, so check that out too. Now let's serve with the rice and any veggies or salad you like. Place the cooked garlic butter teriyaki chicken right on top of the rice. Don't forget to pour that gorgeous sauce over it. The sauce seeps into the cuts, giving the chicken a perfect finish in both flavor and appearance. The sauce slowly coats every inch. Psycho! Also, I didn't go over medium heat to cook it, and thanks to the cuts, the chicken turned out tender and easy to cut into perfect bite-sized pieces. With the rice and the buttery garlicky sauce, I just can't stop eating. One big chicken breast is gone in no time. Here's also a version where I cook the sauce a little longer to make it thicker. I love a thinner sauce so that it soaks into the rice, but my husband liked the thicker sauce, so both ways are delicious. Coming up next, a crispy, juicy fried chicken breast you love. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。See you soon. またね